Okay, to repair this Akron bidet, first twist this button. Next, you need a circuit plier, or if you have something that you can hold to, this white color plastic, then twist. Once it's loosened, you can just turn it with your hand. Okay, take this part out. Then maybe you need a plier to pull this spring out. So if this part, the washer, is dry, maybe you can add some lubricant. So if your button is jammed, most likely the lubricant has dried up. So lubricate it and reinstall. And then next, the button, this thing, put the white color piece inside. It should be flat, like this. And then screw it back. Then lastly, tighten with the circuit plier. A bit will do, don't have to over tighten. That's it. So if the holes are clogged, or there's dirt or water flow is weak, you also can use the circuit plier. You can see there are 3 holes here. Just press and hold here and twist. Once it's loose, you can turn it with your palm. Then you can clean the filter inside.